Day 13. Make all your wishes come true. Imagination is the true magic carpet. If you have been following the magical practice day by day, you have now built an amazing foundation by practicing gratitude for everything you have received and continue to receive in your life. But today is an exciting day because you are going to begin to use gratitude's magical power for your dreams and desire. Hundreds of native cultures through the centuries have traditionally given thanks for what they have, for what they want, before they receive it, creating elaborate ceremonies to put as much as energy as they could give into thanks. The Egyptians have celebrated the flooding of Nile River since ancient time to ensure the continual flow of water in the river. The American Indians and Australian Aborigines perform raining dance, whereas African tribes perform ceremonies for the food before they hunt for it. And the very nature of the prayer is every culture and religion in giving thanks before having received what they desired. The law of attraction says that like attracts like, which means you must form in your mind a likeness or an image of what you want. Then, to attract the desire to you, you have to feel as though it's yours, so that how you feel is also like how you would feel when you had what you wanted. The easiest way to do that it is to be grateful for what you want before you have received it. If it never occurred to you before you to use gratitude to receive what you want, you have now discovered another of its magical power. The very word is the Holy Scripture promise exactly that. Whoever has gratitude now will be given more in the future, and he or she will have an abundance. Gratitude is something you must have before you can receive, not something that you simply do after something good has happened. More people are grateful for after they receive whatever is good. But to make all of your wishes come true and change your entire life by filling it with riches in every area, you must be grateful before and after. Through the act of being sincerely grateful for receiving your desire beforehand, you immediately form an image in your mind that you have it. You feel as though you have it and you are fulfilling your part. If you continue to hold into the image and feeling, you will magically receive your desire. You won't have to know you or you'll receive it. And it is not your job to figure it out. Like how? What do you most want right now? At the beginning of this book, I really asked you to get really clear about what you want in the area of your life. If you didn't go that earlier, now is the time to do it. Go to the list you created now and choose your top 10 desires for the magical practice. You can select 10 desires from the different areas of life, such as money, health, home, relationship, etc. Be very clear and specific about what do you want so that you can see the changes magically happen in each practice you do it. Imagine you are putting in a magic order with the universe your top 10 desires to become it a truth by using the law of attraction. That exactly what you are doing. Sit down with your computer, journal, whatever. Create a separate list of your 10 desires in the following ways as though you have received them. Thank you for dash and filling the blank with your desire as though you have received it. For example, thank you for the high marks in my exam results, which got me into the exact college I wanted. Thank you for the great news that we have received of having a baby. Thank you for all the dream home, for all our dream home, which has everything we wanted it to have down in the last detail. Thank you for the unexpected money I've received, which I is the exact amount I needed for my European trip. Thank you for the perfect partner. Thank you for how easy and effortless our move was. Writing thank you for 3 times in a row is a powerful thing to do because it prevents you from throwing the word say and increase your focus on gratitude. Saying thank you 3 times is also magic formula because it is the mathematical number of all new creation in the universe. For example, it takes one male and one female to create a baby. The male, female, and the male, female, and the baby total 3, completing a new creation. The same rule applies to the creation of everything in the universe, including the creation of your desires. And so, when you say thank you for 3 times in a row, you are using the magic word in creation and secret magic formula. The second step is to make your all wishes come true involves saturating your desires with even more gratitude. You can complete the second step at the same time during this day, either at the same time listing the top 10 desires or intermittently throughout the day. To saturate of your desires with gratitude's magical power, begin with the first desire on your list and using the imagination mentally answer the following question as though you have received your desire. First, what emotions did you feel when you received your desire? Who was the first person you told that you received your desire, and how did you tell them? Third, what is the first great thing you did when you received your desire? Include as much details as you can. Finally, reread each desire and really emphasize the magic word thank you so that you feel them as much as you can. Move on to the second desire of your list and follow the same step with each desire until you have completed all 10 desires. Spend at least 1 minute on each desire. If you want to do something that's really powerful, a lot of fun, you can also create a magic board where you attach pictures of your desire. Cut down the pictures and then attach to the board that is in the place where you will see it often, and use the word thank you, thank you, thank you. Magic practice number 13. Make all your wishes come true. Number 1. Count your blessing. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write down why are you grateful and be thankful for each blessing. Second, sit down at a computer or a pen and write your 10 top desires. Write down 3 times as though you have already received it. Thank you for dash. Third, using your imagination, answer the following question in your mind as though you have received each one of them. First, what emotions did you feel when you received your desires? Second, who was the first person you told your desires when you received it? Third, what was the first thing you did when you received the desire? Include as much details as you can. Fourth, finally reread the sentence of your desires and say thank you. Thank you in big bold letter across the top. Fourth, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in your one hand and say magic word thank you for the best things happened in the day. Thank you. Have a great day.